Na gosogeri omwancho murigere bigata Kisii and Ndizi TV waire ande onsi asogende tukaboko ene kinga kwabatirie emeroberi itukurubaga kiete gukira chinga kibune chi asentunde nanto komera na sembeo asamangara Amayia asenchiro bikiranu Ensa Eyemo ya bono botukoli tukole Jumapili chitariki 35 na kabiro mwaka Bwichiri bubere na 23 na mange anyaleko baga gwataka kuchingongo ime na isko ye county ya Kisii asiribo elimo kwaligania asenchire bikiranu anyaleko bago gusanga amona inchiri tera na goro kwa Josephat Amisi na boigo tikatora enda ya akigo kingoirana ni nyaleko bingo komanya mange na nyaleko baga gwateka. Omwancho murigeria Amayia ya asensa Eyemo ya bono botukona bokonyara kobogo sanga amona inte gwetera se mitandao ya Facebook litangani pigwetera asensa ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na gwetera YouTube Ndizi TV karibu sana lindo nyare koba ago kwemanya nyare koba gagwate kanyura bo igoli tukulia lero ose asobotuko bwalero niko tukuba toko sanga amono mwemsibwe ward ya Ichuni Wycliffe Siocha ose litalinde empande ya sebono tachikoboto kwanera mange ase ayarengete amagendero ime ya ward ya Ichuni yegotoka ime constituency ya Nyaribari Masaba togo chaka Amayia asensa Eyemo ya bono botuko nigo bono ekyombekeria kia Amnesty International kenyara koba gegokora etaro yaye ime county ya Kisii eliyo kurigereria obokoreri awe chisemo chie serikali gati yabo abanyanyimbo nabo igo anene chisemo chiria chigende tokoba chikogaya na aliagenderete imense ya Kenya nabo igo munyakerogo oyobwe kyombekyo irungu hoton niganyare koba gakoerera anene ngetaro yaye nigo yarengete gocha kurigereria okorobekana okukonyara koba okorekana bwangoiga ime county ya Kisii nabo igo ekina keria kia murengete omwana baby sagini ase kianyara koba bono gekona chua ase omokobyoyo ase biganyare koba goteba nigo anyare koba gakogokera obokoreri bweke gambero gia omochibo songo asoko bwati kinekyo na kwenekya buna obwene bwanyare koba bokorekana ase ekinekyo kianyara koba gekona chua ase omokobyoyo.
My name is Rongo Houghton. I'm the Amnesty International Kenya Executive Director, and I'm here in Kisii town to learn and listen to Amnesty members, and in particular Amnesty Kisii chapters of Circles of Conscience. We have been very concerned by the recent protests and the violence that we have seen from the police service in terms of stopping legitimate protesters from exercising Article 37 of the Constitution. Of course, that Constitution requires protesters to be non-violent, to essentially provide public issues in a way in which it does not lead to the loss of life or to the destruction of property. It is a good time to be in. It is also a good time to be in Kisii town because less than 1 week ago we saw the conviction of the family members of baby Brighton Sagini, who have been convicted for 40 years, 10 years and 5 years respectively. And we hope that this is a deterrent, a way of stopping child rape, child defilement, sexual and gender-based violence. And we know that with the chapters of conscience here in Kisii, we can work against even issues like teenage pregnancies in our schools. So we ask all residents of Kisii to join Amnesty International, to be part of the Circles of Conscience, to bring their voice, their energy. And in particular, we call for the immediate implementation and establishment of a safe house for young minors so that we do not have the confusion that we saw with baby Sagini.
Togosuka motwenigo aboro kigwa bechiskuru aime county ya Kisii banyareko bakobori gwagokora omokiase chisemi chiabo linde obugima bwabo bwawu motobochi konyarakoba obiyaga gokwana litiko lya lero asomoyega bwogochengera ogokora buya gweskuru yamenya SDA Professor Banas Oroko nigo biganyareko bagakoboria anene aboro kia banyareko bakwene kia baimokirie emeremo gosachi subject chirengete amone amonechi science elio kweneki abanyarire koba bakoimokia chikosi aichiranyara koba chiko chikoba konya asobogima bole mutumuliki oitomirire mumanyi na nyara koba goikira nase skuru ya menya na gotoretera roboti rokobwatia
nase litukolio gochengera amachibu amayayo mwakoeta ase skuru ya sekondari ya menya SDA mixed boarding imeyabarabu account ya Nyamira nigo gati abageni basanga ebirengera byabo igori yabo kiwa gweta amatemwa asogochora emiremo asebono emiremo y'iki science yarekana gotakolia bya asebono Professor Pamna Soroko oyore umunyagitari wa mauga akwanira ogwichana kwae gochiase aborokiwa ase ogotakora bya ase chi science ase abasaba bali abo mwakoyega gochogokora omukya ase chi science elio gwekerania endoto yogokora chikosi buna Banyagitali nature engineering.
Disappointed that the best grades were in history, in religious education, in the arts, what you could say. The science was not done very well. Chemistry, maths, not done very well. These are areas for improvement. The school has done very well. There was great improvement last year. And it's not beyond the school to do even better in these other subjects. It would be great to have not only those who cannot go to study medicine, but even other professional courses, engineering and others.
Uroko nigo asaba serikali ya county gochukobwatirana na serikali enene iliyokwenekya nga eskuru yongo chokonyorere amagacho amaya unenchere ya moyo gokinya sector y'chisemi.
This school here has many children, more than 1,300, and it has need for a lot of facilities. Facilities for halls, facilities for where the students live, and even library. So there are a lot of needs. As the school did very well, there has been a great demand and many students coming in. So it's very important that the county government and all those who are involved can mobilize resources to make this possible. That the school may continue to do well, even better next year.
Professor Mary Getui kurwa Catholic University of East Africa nigo asaba aworokiwa gochegokora omukya aseboigo akambya ase amachibu amayo mwakoeta engane yo yasirwa no Professor Oroko asebaganya
transition to the university. So really for everything that it has done to make this possible.
Kuripotalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV litaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Biamono omusaki oituwa mangana maya Mildred Momanya soroboti urwa senchiro wikirano kurwa seskuru yamenye nyatogo skamoto mwancho murigalia umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto litukolia lero nanyara kobaga kora abarai bande na boigo abamenyi anebensemo ya ukunda asomo yegabwa masabo uyonyara kobago kolekana senseme yo anene imeye county ya Kilifi gago kwana kurwa somo yego yo nigo Ruto boiga nyara kobaga kwenekelia aba Kenya nene abamenyi borogongo rwa coast bune serikali yae yanyare kobage komenta omubaro bw'ekisabali cy'indege Eyemo yamogokia ase ensemo ya Mombasa elio kwenekia buna omubaro bw'abatali gokia sensemo iyo nyare kobaga komenta Karuto nigaya koniraya ase boigate biringa kerengo gose kenige kerengete kwenekia buna uchumi yanyare kobage gotira anene sensemo ya coast gatiabo kwenekia buna abatali banyare kobaga ikirana asensemo nigo boiganyare kobaga kobaenekeria anene obolendi bwabo chinga kibaranyare koba bakora kitaro cyabo cyabene gukia se enseme ya coast.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba tuongeze ndege zinazokuja hapa pwani za utalii. Serikali ya Kenya, we have approved Fly Dubai to fly here 4 days a week wakilete watalii. Tumekubali Ethiopian Airlines wakuje direct hapa pwani wakilete watalii. Ile mimi nataka niwaulize, watu wa pwani, wakati tunaleta watalii, tafadhali tudumishe amani. Mukipanga mambo ya maandamano hapa, muchome tile, muchome barabara, muharibu biashara, hiyo watalii wote ambao tunawapanga itakuwa ni kazi bure tunafanya. Ni mnanielewa? Ukisikia kiongozi yeyote anakuambia ya kwamba upange fujo, ati uendeshe vita, ujue huyo ndio adui wako namba moja. Umwangalie kabisa kwa macho na mwambie shetani ondoka.
Chingaki echechio omwancho muligale muraibwense Dr. William Ruto niganyara koba kubatuke kurate ya bene guchia sabasai anene korua ase county ya Kilifi nako bagane banyare koba gwesonania na oborubi bwechinswe nabo igo kweyaligania ase emeremo igira chikoba gekoretwa kubatika no muroberio mbubwagachi bwechinyomba cheligo lirike nabo igo onyara koba gagosaba abasaba banyare koba bagwetanania gosebanya batige tibanyara koba gwesonania anene nukorobeka nukwanyareko bagokorekana imensa ya Kenya asa matukanyareko bagagweta.
Mimi nawauliza hasa nyinyi vijana wa taifa letu la Kenya, mujipange na uvuvi, mujipange na program ya housing, mujipange na digital jobs. Musikubali kupangwa na maandamano na mawe, please. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Mpango ya wale ati ni maandamano na mawe. Mimi nataka niwaulize vijana wa Kenya, do not participate in anything that destroys your country. Hatuna nchi spare, hatuna nchi nyingine, hii ndio nchi yetu.
Gati ya baraibo igabanyarako bagwikirana asomo yiguyibwa masabo imeyensemo ya ukunda no mu cabinet prime minister Musalia Mudavadi na baraibande kurwa soro ngurwa costa bo igabanyarako bagwesoke na gusira anene chingwana ecyanyarako bachikoroberigwa amono bo mobwazi miyo nabo iga serikali sebate bire na kugania obo mobwazi miyo nga chingwana ekyo chinyarako bachikorigereria anene okoimokia ekerengo gye uchumi nabo igoseli botaka imense ya Kenya kurinde talichiria echirengete kobagana amabaga yemeremo ime ase serikali.
Kuzungumza mambo ya uchumi, kuzungumza mambo ya kitaifa. Tafadhali ndugu zetu, let us talk as Kenyans, but do not try and internationalize your losses in here.
You pay attention to the interests and needs of Kenyans. Winston Churchill said you will never finish your race if you stop to throw stones at every barking dog. Focus on your race.
Ingekuwa mazungumzo kati ya Mheshimiwa Ruto na Mheshimiwa Raila inaweza kupunguza bei ya unga, tungemshurutisha rais akae na Mheshimiwa Raila. Lakini tunajua wazi hata hivi leo Mheshimiwa Ruto na Mheshimiwa Raila waende State House wakazungumze, ukitoka hapo nenda duka lolote utakuta bei ni ile ile. Kuonyesha wazi, kuashiria wazi kwamba si mazungumzo ya watu wawili ambayo itashukisha gharama ya bei. There is only one way. Kuna njia moja peke yake ya kushukisha gharama ya maisha nchini Kenya. Njia hiyo moja ni kumpatia nafasi rais wetu atekeleze ruwaza yake, his
magega ye serikali ya Kenya kwanza na boigo obomo bwa azimio korrekana nga banyareko bokorobye na kwariga chingwana abono nigo abarai banyareko bakobwatuka ebirengereri byabo kubwatekana na yanyareko baga korrekana yo bwango iga no mukonyi bumurai bwense rigadi gashagwa uyu nyarako baga goteba buna serikali yanyareko boge kwarigania omurobiri wigwe chingwana na boigo asekerenga keria kerengete kwene kyabuna amagendra nyareko baga gosirwa na boigo gokinie kerengo uchumi imense ya Kenya rigati gashauni gaya kwa na litikulia lero maiga yogo ikirana omuyega imeskuru area ya Nyerere yego toka ime county ya Nairobi.
We welcome talks, we welcome non-violent ways of resolving conflicts. That we do. But we are on standby. Once beaten, twice, we are on standby. If the talks Mheshimiwa Kimani, muendelee, musikizane, muendelee, polisi warudi kwa kazi yao. If there is change of heart, sisi tuko tayari. But I want to say today, on behalf of President William Ruto, never again in this country shall we allow people to kill others and to destroy people's property. It will not happen because it is wrong and it's not right. Nikimalizia nikiwa hapa Kiambu, I want to take this opportunity to thank the county commissioner, the police commander and your team for the good job you are doing on fighting illicit brews and bangi. Pongezi. We are almost 70%.
Omwanchu murirekera twachaka Amayia ya Ensa Eyemo ya bono botuko niko tonyara ko batoko tebenga ime studio niko toko chiko batoko twara omogeni oito iyo nyare ko bagago ikirana eri toranyara ko batoko sanga amange igoro ya magendro yechibodi chito agati yabo eward ya ichuni talionde no mweshimiwa Wycliffe Siocha wanche komoroka na okomoroka empando ikireme studio kokwana atoreri teri empande magayere iyo konyora uburai ime wodi chuni orure empande gosokinira gochigoronga tie mange alitoko batoba togo kwanira botukobwarero nyirabo igonigo ale omunyakerogo bwa committee implementation gati yechi bill chitikote konyara ko bachigo kwanerwa ime county ya Kisii ine chire cyanyara ko bachigo ikeranirwa emarago baya bono sange garangere kiago amona itugwetere namba yesimi eyeregago a setibi yago aboigo gwetera ase mitandao yeto Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigotera YouTube Ndizi TV News. Ngwenda tora somo timokomo ke kurende ikirangwerena gwerana ndero mugeni one emaragoba yabono.